Handbells is the most like choir, in that everyone is creating one big whole by individual parts, but unlike choir, where everybody's singing a complete line, in handbells you only have a little snippet. So it encourages a lot of really heavy listening and it encourages a lot of collaboration and teamwork in a way that I've never experienced before. For a long time, bells have been a part of the Christmas tradition. There's like the little crodles, which are the little ones you see in sleigh bells that were attached to horses and carriages and all that. And through time, it's evolved into handbells. I'm not entirely sure why they're such an important part of the Christmas season, but they're definitely an integral part of the season.
When I first started ringing, I was just enchanted by how they sounded when they were played well, and so I just wanted as much opportunity to hear them as well as play them as I possibly could get. You are really only acting as one finger of a piano player as an individual ringer. You have to be really, really locked in and in tune with the people next to you and across the choir, and so it's lots of active listening and just a great sound. Throughout the year, there are some people who think of handbells as a fairly niche thing, but at Christmas, everyone loves bells, and so seeing the extra joy we can bring to people's faces during this Christmas winter season just makes me even happier to play.